So this is the Giacomini multi-unit air handler. It's on show at CMPX. So this is designed as a heating and cooling air handler. The idea behind it is if you have an air to water, you can actually just hook this directly up with a 3/4 inch piece of PEX. You can do a 6-way valve or you can do a standard 2-way valve. Each one of these outlets, they come in a configuration of 3 to 4 to 5. Each one of them takes its own thermostat or one central master thermostat. So what that means is if you have bedroom 1, bedroom 2, bedroom 3, you install this up into an attic space or up over a closet, you now have a 3-zone system with 3 separate thermostats, and this runs perfectly off of an air to water. It's 115 volt. Thermostats are all 0 to 10 or standard on off. As I said, you can do 1, you can do 3. The other thing that's cool is it has the 3 outlets for supply. And on this side, it has a similar grill that goes on that will have 3 returns, but it's also got ports for an HRV or an ERV hookup. So it's a pretty cool product. And for air to water, frankly, any kind of hydronic heat pump, heating and cooling, it's a pretty good option.